Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing us how to fix the Apex Legends error code net error, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing you guys can do is go over to Steam, open up Steam, and then go over to Apex Legends and go ahead and right click on it, hit properties, and go over to installed files. From here I want you guys to click on the verify integrity of game files, and you can go over to, once you're done with verifying the integrity of game files, X out, and then you can also restart your PC. But before you restart your PC, I recommend restarting Steam, and you can do that by clicking on Steam in the top left corner and just go ahead and hit exit. And what this also does is that this also it like updates if there's any updates needed for Steam, it also updates Steam as well to the latest updates, so that's good as well. And yeah, so and then you can, that's good as well for the error code as well. And then you can also go over to Steam, right click on it, hit run as administrator, and every time play Apex Legends, just make sure to do that as well. That can also fix the issue as well. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.